it from the beginning. Got the Genesis, but I'm never sinning. I keep it holy, pure. I got that 40, nigga. What you want? I'm floaty. I just keep rolling, motherfucking shorty. Looking on the corner, waiting for that nigga to get the steez. Nigga, please, you can't know my steez. I'ma sit all day. I wanna wake up and be about 3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm yawning. Y'all niggas still recuperating from the song that I hit. I be kicking it, spitting it, living it. Real niggas getting it, feeling it. Waiting for that beat to drop. How hot can it be? Y'all can't top me. Sipping on Hennessy, feeling it for a loco, and I'm going out my mind, cause I got these motherfuckers screaming all the time. They want my autograph, but I tell you, you can't get with a nigga trying to get better than he already is. Beating it, feeling it. Got the 40, and I'm bloated, and I'm holy, and I got my motherfucking weed in a jarby, cause you can't see me. Cause when the po-po come through, they be beating it, hitting it. But I got my lawyers trying to get with it like Cochran. OJ is innocent. How can that nigga never cop a spit? And he's gotta cop a hit, cause he copped a bitch, cause he got so scarred on that motherfucking sex shit with the scandal. Gotta let it loose like a vandal. I ain't a rascal, but I get angry like a possum. Tryna run up on them, something to see them, tryna eat them, tryna get with me. I'm so chill, but I'm just chillin', trying to keep it real. The beat keep dropping. Y'all niggas take a pill. Y'all niggas need to chill. I done told this for a long time. Y'all niggas can't keep it with me and Ron. Jamaica keeps coming, and it's gonna brew, and it's gonna punish you. Motherfuckers told you that I knew it. Y'all wouldn't listen, I told you so. But the sun keeps glistening on my pinky toe, and I keep feeling this shit like Dro, like that green that I picked in Humboldt. Y'all motherfuckers need to drink that Coke 45, staying alive, trying to live with it. Real niggas been hitting it from the beginning. All teams winning, y'all niggas so losers. I'ma bruise this shit that you ain't feeling. Get with it though. You're living in your mama's basement. Get a job and get a hoe and get something other than. You ain't never seen this collagen, and your lips puffed up with the pride. Like I keep hitting it, staying alive. Motherfuckers don't know me, and the song fades out.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.